Want to turn your wildest ideas into cinematic videos in just seconds without touching complicated editing software? Today, we're looking at Clipfly, an all-in-one AI creative platform designed to make video creation incredibly easy. Whether you want to generate videos from simple text prompts or bring static images to life, Clipfly has you covered. Let's break down how it works and what makes it unique. First up is the AI video generator. You have three main ways to create. With text to video, you simply type in a description and the AI generates a dynamic video clip in seconds. If you have an existing photo, you can use image to video to animate it and add motion. There is even a text to image to video feature, which lets you generate several image frames from a text prompt first, pick your favorite, and then animate that specific frame into a video. But Clipfly isn't just about generating new clips from scratch, it's also a powerful editing toolkit. If you have low-res or blurry footage, the AI Video Enhancer can automatically sharpen your video, reduce noise, and boost color balance with just one click. Plus, if you have unwanted elements in your shot, like watermarks, logos, or random passers-by, the Video Object Remover and Video Text Remover let you easily brush over them to erase them instantly. It also includes an AI Storyboard Creator, an AI Music Generator, and standard video editing tools to polish your final project. Now, when it comes to user feedback, we want to be completely transparent. Official, widespread user reviews for Clipfly are currently quite limited, so we don't have a large pool of external pros and cons to compare. However, the obvious advantage of this platform is how it bundles so many separate AI tools, like generation, enhancement, and object removal, into one single, easy-to-use interface. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to clipfly.ai to start experimenting with your own prompts and photos. Let us know in the comments what you think of the video quality. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.